Good morning, students. I'm Aarti Prasad, Assistant Professor in AX Department at SIIT Bhopal, and the subject is the Energy and Environmental Engineering, and the subject code is the AS301, and the topic is Introduction of Water Pollution. So, in this lecture, we have discussed what is water pollution and the types of water pollution, right? So first we discuss what is water pollution, and this PPT shows water pollution occur when energy and the other material are released into the water, contaminating the quality of it for other users, right? Or you can say any physical, biological or a chemical change in water quality that adversely affect living organism or make water unsustainable for certain uses is referred as the water pollution. So, water pollution again, you can say it occurs when harmful substance like chemical or a bio microorganism contaminate a stream, river, lake, ocean, or other body of water. So, degrading water quality and rendering it to toxic human or the environment. So what is the cause of the water pollution? So water is uniquely vulnerable pollution. It dissolves anywhere, right? So it is also known as universal solvent. It is also able to dissolve more substance than any other liquid on earth. Or you can say it is the reason we have cool at brilliant blue waterfall. It also why water is so easily polluted. Right? So toxic substances from farms, towns, factories dissolve in it and causing water pollution. So types, effects, and the water pollution. What is the some various types of water pollution, their effects and the causes are like infectious agent. This is the natural found in water and can cause infection to human body, like bacteria, like protozoa, etc. Right. So this is the also causes of the water pollution. This is the diagram shown in this PPT. Sewage from the domestic household factories and the commercial buildings, so sewage that is treated in water treatment, it is often disposed into the sea. So it can be more problematic when people flush chemical or pharmaceutical substances down to the toilet. So this is the also cause of the water pollution. Another causing when we dumping some solid into the river, lake, or ocean, so like a cardboard, aluminum, plastic, glass. So this is also a cause of the water pollution. Another cause, industrial waste. This is the major factor of the water pollution causes. This industrial waste from the factory which use fresh water to carry waste from the plants into rivers contaminate water with the pollutant like asbestos, lead, mercury, and the petrochemical. And the last is the oil spills water pollution. Oil pollution caused by oil spill from tanker and oil from the ship travel. This does not dissolve in water and form a thick sludge. So light penetration is very low and the aquatic life is very harmful or very dangerous for cause of water pollution and this cause of oil spills, right? So what is the effect? So groundwater contamination from pesticides causes reproductive damage within wildlife in ecosystem, or you can say a human produced a litter of items such as plastic bags, six packs ring can get aquatic animal, or you can say it causes flooding due to the accumulation of solid waste and the soil erosion in a stream and the river. And one more thing, the sewers, fertilizer, and the agriculture runoff contain organic material that can, when discharged into the water, increase the growth of the algae, and which causes the depletion of the air, oxygen. So this low oxygen level are not able to support most of the organisms in the area and therefore upset the natural ecological balance in river and the lake. And the last is the oil spill in the water causes animal to die when they inject it or encounter. So oil does not dissolve in water and the causes of the suffocation in fishes and the birds, right? So in this lecture we have discussed what is water pollution, what is the pollutant, and what is the cause of the water pollution, and what is the effect of the water pollution. Thank you.